Hey everyone, Ryan Nielsen here to announce that Ben Murray is hosting a one-time major webinar event where you can see how to use an AI technology called VideoXQ-AI to create high-end explainer animation videos from keywords that are better than what top video marketing agencies can make.
Hey, it's Ben Murray here, and I'm excited to announce the launch of VideoXQ-AI, a cloud-based app that leverages artificial intelligence to create high-end explainer animation videos for any need with no experience needed at all. Just by entering some keywords, you can create high-retention, fully unique video scripts for a variety of purposes. And then watch as the fully cloud-based app creates a fully unique, high-end explainer animation video from that text. Not just any animation video, however, but one filled with high-end isometric animations, one of the animation styles proven to increase views and conversions. Choose from a gigantic library of already done-for-you animation scenes to add to your videos in just a click. And these are available in lots of offline or online business niches and are easy to mix and match. Or choose from tons of already done-for-you videos with voiceovers and popular business niches and topics to edit or clone. Add things like text, images, video footage, and more in just a click. Edit anything you want easily with the drag and drop multi-timeline editor. You can layer audio tracks, videos, images, and more super easy, and then preview the video as you make it. Plus, turn the AI text into a realistic AI voiceover in seconds with a text-to-speech engine that sounds just like a pro voiceover artist. Just paste the text, choose a realistic sounding voiceover artist, and now we have a video with high retention script, pro level animations, and pro level voiceover. But if you can believe that, that's just the start of what VideoXQ-AI can do. Add stock video clips to the video from a gigantic library. Preview each one and add it in a click. Take your animations to the next level by inserting super cool background animations, video images, or colors. Choose from tons of animated characters, emojis, animated standalone graphics, or more to add to the video, or add to an existing scene. Add transitions to each animated element, and so much more. The combination of AI and point-and-click huge animated scene library allows anyone to make explainer animation videos just as good as top video marketing agencies now. Make many types of videos in different dimensions for different purposes.
So in this one-time major webinar event, you're going to see how newbies are creating and selling $500 to $3,500 explainer videos better than professionals using AI. So all you have to do is click the link in the description below this video. It'll take you directly here to this page where you can go ahead and click on this yellow button to save your seat for the one-time training that happens May 23rd at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here's what you'll get on the webinar, training 100% free just by showing up. See how to use AI to make customizable explainer animation videos, how newbies are using technology to run six-figure video marketing agencies from scratch. You'll learn what type of explainer video is getting the highest conversions and how to make them. You'll get a free copy of the VideoXQ-AI app. You'll get a mega special offer no one will publicly get, and you'll get a chance to win some prizes. This is a super easy way to get your first AI explainer $1,500 a month client and far more in a value-packed marketing webinar. Again, this one-time webinar happens this Tuesday, May 23rd at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just click the link in the description below this video. It'll take you here. Click on the yellow button to save your seat. I will be doing a full review of this product in the next day or so. I just wanted to go ahead and get this out here so that you go ahead and mark your calendar for this one-time webinar happening Tuesday, May 23rd, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks a lot and make it a great day.